Hi everyone, welcome back to the Savvy Gadgets YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic that has been making headlines in recent years. That topic is CBDC, better known as Central Bank Digital Currency. In this video, we will explain what CBDC is and how it can affect us.
So, Tucker, one of the bedrocks of freedom is freedom to do financial transactions, including privately, or freedom to do where you want to do and wherever you want to do. And unfortunately, as the financial system has become more and more digital, you see more and more not only invasive surveillance, but more and more controls. You referred to Canada, perfect example. And the reality, as the financial system gets more controlling and more invasive, it's a little bit like bringing up a corral around us. And CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, and vaccine passports or digital IDs are sort of the last shutting of the gate. It's hard for many people to imagine the risks here because we're so used to living with financial transaction freedom, and we don't understand that when this gate closes on us, we literally will be sitting in a system where the central banks believe that our assets belong to them, and they can dictate where we can spend money and what we can spend money on. The important thing to understand is central bank digital currencies are not currencies. It's a financial transaction control grid, and it gives the ability for the central bankers, and they've said this publicly, the ability to not only set the rules centrally, but enforce the rules centrally. If you don't behave, you can have your money turned off.
Now, what does the acronym CBDC stands for? CBDC stands for Central Bank Digital Currency. It is a digital version of physical cash or coin, which is issued and backed by a central bank. Unlike cryptocurrencies, CBDCs are legal tender, which means they are accepted by law for payment of debts and taxes. What are the uses or benefits of CBDC? One of the main benefits of CBDC is that it can improve financial inclusion, as it can reach the unbanked and underbanked population, who may not have access to traditional banking services. CBDC can also reduce the cost of cash management and increase the efficiency of payment systems. Furthermore, it can provide better transparency, security, and privacy in financial transactions. How will CBDC affect us? Now that we have understood what CBDC is and its benefits, let's discuss how it can affect us. Firstly, CBDC can change the way we make payments. It can provide a faster, cheaper, and more secure alternative to cash and traditional banking services. Secondly, it can affect the monetary policy of a country, as central banks can use CBDC to control the money supply and interest rates. Finally, CBDC can raise concerns about privacy and security, as it can give central banks access to personal financial data. What does the future hold for CBDC? The future of CBDC looks promising, as many central banks around the world are exploring the idea of issuing their own CBDCs. However, the implementation of CBDC requires careful consideration and collaboration between stakeholders, including policymakers, regulators, financial institutions, and technology providers. What did we learn today? In conclusion, CBDC is a new and exciting development in the world of finance that will someday replace cash and coins currency that we use today. It has the potential to improve financial inclusion, reduce costs, and increase transparency and security. However, its implementation requires careful consideration and collaboration between stakeholders. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.